Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing my own list of do's and don'ts in online communication. By the way, I'm Marin Sachi GPK, and this is based on my experience, mistakes, and few embarrassing moments I rather not talk about. So let's get into it. First do's. Do be respectful and polite. Online or offline respect is always important, whether I'm speaking to classmates, teachers, or even strangers. I always try to use kind words, simple by things saying like hi, please, and thank you is showing basic courtesy. And honestly, being polite just makes conversation smoother and avoids unnecessary drama. This is big one. Think before you click or post. Once you put something online, it's out there. Screenshots exist, the internet remembers. So before sending a message or posting anything, I pause for a second and ask myself, would I be okay if other people saw this? If no, then backspace, delete, move on. It's better to be careful than regretful. Do protect your privacy. This one is super important. I avoid posting personal info like my home address, passwords, or anything too private. Even in my group chats, I'm careful about what I share. Not everyone online has good intentions, so better to stay safe and personal details private. Do verify information before sharing. We all know how fast fake news spreads. So before I repost anything, especially if it sounds shocking or controversial, I check the source, I look for reliable pages, official statements, or multiple posts confirming the same thing. Sharing facts instead of rumors helps keep the online world safer and more truthful. Do use clear and concise language. Online messages can easily be misunderstood. We can't rely on tone of voice or facial expressions, so clarity is important. Try to avoid using all caps unless I'm excited, like really excited, because it can look like shouting. And sarcasm, it doesn't always translate well online, so I try to keep my messages simple and easy to understand. And for the don'ts, first don't forget the human behind the screen. It's easy to forget that every username or profile picture belongs to a real person with real feelings. So I always remind myself, if I wouldn't say it face to face, I probably shouldn't say it online. Kindness matters, and a little empathy goes a long way. Don't spread rumors or screenshots without consent. This one is extremely important. Sharing someone's private conversation, even if you think it's harmless, can break trust. And spreading rumors can seriously hurt people. I always ask for permission before sharing anything that involves someone else. Don't ignore online etiquette. Just because online doesn't mean manners disappear. Respecting boundaries, replying politely, and not interrupting in group chats are basic things, but they really matter. Good etiquette helps avoid conflicts and shows maturity. Don't respond when you're angry. This is something I definitely learned the hard way. Before, I used to reply right away when I was upset or stressed, and trust me, the messages I didn't send didn't help the situation at all. Now when I'm angry, I stop. I breathe. I step away from my phone for a few minutes or hours, because how we respond affects the conversation, and sometimes silence is better than saying something you regret. Don't use offensive language or emojis. Even if it's meant as a joke, some things can be misunderstood or taken seriously. Negative words, rude emojis, or sarcastic comments might hurt someone without us realizing it. So try to stay positive and friendly. It keeps conversations safer and more welcoming. So that's my full list of do's and don'ts when communicating online. These tips really help me became more mindful and responsible whenever I'm talking to people on the internet. If you learned something from this or want to add your own tips, feel free to share them. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and be kind online.